11 herbs that naturally repel mosquitoes. 1. Repel mosquitoes with garlic. Garlic's strong fragrance comes from the sulfurous compounds it produces. It's a great solution to repel mosquitoes and keep them far away from your home. Directions: crush a clove of raw garlic and place it near where insects enter. 2. Cinnamon. The aroma of this spice is delicious, but mosquitoes hate it. Directions: add a little cinnamon to some hot water and place in a container near the living room. 3. Basil. Keeping this plant near the entrance of your home will keep many insects from getting inside. The smell is very unpleasant to them and will keep them away. Directions: put a small basil plant near the entrance to your home or near the corners inside. You can also use the dried leaves in rooms to repel insects. 4. Thyme. The seeds of the thyme plant are useful for repelling those pesky bugs that invade our homes and gardens. Directions: burn a few thyme seeds and let the fragrance dissipate throughout your home. 5. Mint. The refreshing fragrance of this herb is unpleasant to these tiny insects. Thanks to this property, we can use it to help protect our skin from their bites and prevent them from swarming near our homes. Directions: keep this planted in your garden. Keep another in a pot in your kitchen. Use the dried leaves in smaller spaces, like bedrooms. 6. Cloves. The smoke from burning cloves is one of the best natural insect repellents. Directions: place a few cloves on a small plate and burn them to release their strong aroma. Tie several together with a string and place near the front door. 7. Rosemary. For centuries, human beings have been using both the leaves and the essential oil of this plant as an ingredient in natural medicines. Its properties not only improve the health of the body, they can also be employed for various uses around the home. Directions: to protect your skin from mosquitoes, apply a little essential oil to exposed areas. To use as repellent for the home, burn a few of the dried leaves or make a concentrated tea. 8. Citronella. This herb is known for its delicious lemon scent that most insects find especially unpleasant. Directions: place a few sprigs of the herb in the corners of the rooms where you want to repel mosquitoes. You can also make a tea with the leaves whose fragrance will dissipate throughout every area of your home. 9. Black pepper. The strong, spicy fragrance will keep pesky mosquitoes from trying to enter your home. Directions: crush some black peppercorns and place them in the corners of rooms. 10. Eucalyptus. The scent of eucalyptus leaves will immediately repel mosquitoes and other bothersome insects. Directions: burn several eucalyptus leaves and let the smoke dissipate throughout your home. If you like, boil several leaves in a saucepan with water and the vapors will keep bugs at bay. 11. Bay leaves. The gentle scent of bay leaves is pleasant, but mosquitoes and other insects hate it. To take advantage of its insect repellent properties, try this trick. Directions: crush several bay leaves and sprinkle around areas where insects tend to gather. Now that you know a few home remedies to repel insects, don't wait to try them out the next time insects try to invade your home. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.